So I'm getting ready to head off to the O'Reilly store. Probably not O'Reilly, like Walmart or something. Anyway, I'm heading off to an auto parts store to go get more collector rings. Those are the rings back there. And more brushes. So I'm going to go get more collector rings and brushes. I'll be right back. I'm going down to Walmart. I'm going down to Walmart. So last night I uploaded a process on restoring the Thunderbolt 1003. We moved it to the garage. So yeah. I'll see you guys then. So I just got back from the store. Sorry I couldn't record it. I got the rings and brushes. I need to get them. Alright. I got the collector rings and brushes at the auto parts store, not store. Little auto parts selection at Walmart. Believe it or not, they had size 3, which is perfect for my Thunderbolt. Princess, back. Yeah, size 3 is perfect for Thunderbolt collector rings. And same thing as brushes. So. Right here.
Because at this point we don't really have you what he's saying.
Okay.
And quite frankly, his
so I got the collector rings here for the Thunderbolt. Size 3 is perfect because the collector rings aren't very big, so I got size 3.
Within the same neighborhood as
brushes. Yeah, brushes and collector rings. So let's go ahead and open it. Do you have like an X-Acto knife or anything?
She gets in the truck and they have a conversation. She then decides to tell him that she's only 16.
She's 16.
She said 16, and I flipped out. You're not gonna get clipped just for having her in my truck.
Fine for the paper.
You know.
And here are the brushes.
Because he's a registered sex offender, he knew her being in his truck with him, that was enough to get him sent back to it.
Alright, let's open the collector rings. Dun dun dun! Collector rings!
Tells us that a black Camaro pulls in behind him, and she jumps out and heads back to the black Camaro.
Angie had texted her friend about being in a black Camaro.
I got collector rings and brushes.
Some black Camaro pulled up behind me. She got out of the truck. She got into the car. That's the last I saw.
Alright.
That's her. She flew off into the night, huh?
You ready to see me put the brushes and collector rings on?
This text message
Do you?
alibi about the black Camaro. Concern went up. We weren't
Okay.
that story.
You mind if I take a smoke break?
Alright.
That gave me an opportunity to go out and meet with some of the investigators. We're waiting to see if we can get anything that either corroborates the story through the text messages, through the cellular data.
Alright, brushes are in.
Or
Let's
if
get
it
through
shows
the
us
collector
that he's being
rings.
less than truthful to us.
I get
thinking she's gonna walk through that door. I'm gonna hug her, and I'm gonna love her, and then I'm gonna yell at her, and I'm gonna ground her. I'm gonna take that phone, I'm gonna break it, but I'm gonna hug her again. I kept now telling myself, it's gonna be all right. Everything's gonna be okay.
Thank you, Mr. Cameraman.
Month after month, I'm doing it all.
I know he's old. No problem. So there's a collector rings. Sorry if it was blurry during that entire scene. There's the collector rings and the brushes. So now I guess it's time to show you the Thunderbolt. So the Thunderbolt, last night it was in the shop. And last night we moved it down to the garage. So there is where we moved the Thunderbolt to. I took this off last night. There's no shaft in it. So here's the rotor. This one is not really that too well spaced out. This is a, I think, 16 port Thunderbolt. So we need to get a 4 or 5 port rotor. Don't know how we would do that, but we're gonna try. So there's the stator right there, and here's the rotor. We took the shaft out, so there's nothing holding that in. Here's the inside of the horn. You can see it better now. Let's see if I get it unblur. There we go. So there's that. We are going to get started on restoring the siren. And, yeah. So I'll see you in a sec. Isn't she beautiful?
Oh, yeah. Wonderful.
Let's get started on restoring the paint.